How to update TikTok on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually update your TikTok on iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, you can see I'm on my iPhone's home screen, and in order to actually update a TikTok on iPhone, or let's say you want to simply install it from the very beginning, as you can see I already do have TikTok app on my iPhone, but then let's say I want to update it to test out the new features. Maybe I'm facing some kind of bugs and I want to update and fix that as well. If that is the case, then you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, in order to update, you have to make sure to actually connect to a very stable internet connection. If your connection is not stable, it will not be updated properly and you might actually face errors during the updating process. So in order to check our internet connection, there are basically two ways. You can simply open your settings on your iPhone, and then you can go to Wi-Fi, or else if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, you can also switch to cellular data, but then I don't really recommend using it from cellular data for downloading purposes. Once you've made sure you have actually connected to a very reliable internet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply open App Store on my iPhone. Once you open your App Store, you have to make sure that you do have an Apple ID included on your App Store. If you've already logged in with your Apple ID, on the top right hand side you can see your Apple ID profile. And after you open App Store, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you have to simply tap on the search box. Once you tap on the search box, at the top of the screen you can see this option called Games, Apps, Stories and More, which is definitely the rectangle search box which you see. You have to simply tap on it once, and here you will simply type in TikTok. Now there are basically other ways to update TikTok, but then I'm going to show you from the App Store itself. Once I enter TikTok, I'm going to hit the search button, and right on top you can see the TikTok app, and you can also see the update button. Now I'm going to tap on TikTok right over here, and you can see a list of all of the previews of the TikTok app as well as what is new in this update. You can see they have added some kind of transition effect. So what we have to do is, in order to update TikTok on our iPhone, we will simply tap on this blue update button. Once we tap on this blue update button, it may take some time depending upon the internet connection of yours, so you have to be patient and simply wait until the update process has actually been completed. So we are going to simply wait until it has been updated to the latest version. So as you can see right over here, we have actually successfully updated the TikTok app, and that is why you're actually being able to see this open button. Now you could go ahead and open TikTok, log into your account, go watch some videos or whatever you wish to do. And this is basically how you can update TikTok on your iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.